Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a business owner in the service industry, and I give DocuSign a 4 out of 5. Before I started using DocuSign, we had all kinds of convoluted ways to get contracts to people and get them signed and get them back. Most of the time, if it was a legal issue, we had to make sure that we had a courier to pick it up and there were witnesses. On DocuSign, I can get a legally signed document back in hours or minutes, depending on when I need it. I chose DocuSign because it helps to streamline the signing process. It's legally binding, it's secure, and I can get digital signatures relatively quickly. It's simple, it's intuitive, and it has a lot of apps that are third party that fit in with it and work well with it. Adding DocuSign into our business on a daily basis was so easy. It was just a matter of downloading an app or two and making sure everybody had access to it. And from there, it's been a breeze. It was simple to learn, and we've been real happy with it. For people that are considering DocuSign, it's a very good app. It's a very good program. It's very easy to use, but it's kind of expensive when you compare it to some of the other available programs out there to use. So before you do it, make sure you know what's exactly going on. From looking at some of my other options today, if I hadn't got with DocuSign so early, I probably would have changed to a different service.